Okay, here we are on the 4th floor, just outside the elevators to the left. The unit is Unit 401. We're located on a very spectacular street with amazing views of the Bay Bridge and the bay. Okay, let's step inside. This place has been recently painted. You walk into this amazing space here. This is a light-filled unit. The kitchen has stone counters. There's a dishwasher, double sink, gas range, tons of cabinet and counter space, microwave and refrigerator. This is the view from the kitchen. You can clearly see the Bay Bridge view and the bay. And there's a dishwasher. Okay. Here is the living room, dining room combined. Tons of windows and lots of natural light. You have heating in each of the rooms. Nice little alcove here. Perfect for a home office. This is the view from the north side. You can see the clock tower, Transamerica building. And over here in the dining area, you have spectacular views of the city. There's the Bay Bridge and unobstructed views of the bay. Okay. Over here to the left is the entryway. You have a couple of closets here. Here's one closet. This unit also comes with private stackable laundry machines. Nice tall ceilings here, cement wall, recessed lighting. The bedrooms are located towards the back area. So you have one bedroom here. This fits a king-size bed. Lots of plugs here. Nice big closet. The first bathroom is located at the end of the hallway, so you have a tub and shower combined. Nice tile floors, big mirror, and plenty of space here. Okay, the master bedroom is located at the far end, and as you can see, you do have lots of windows here as well. It is pretty quiet, double pane windows, a strip of cement, so it gives it a very nice modern feel. There's lots of plugs in here as well. And a huge walk-in closet. You have stainless bars and shelving which you can move higher or lower. Okay, and here is the full bathroom, the second full bathroom. You have a his and her sink, lots of cabinet space, huge mirror. There's a toilet there, and tucked away is the shower with glass enclosure. Additional storage in these cabinets here. Okay. This unit Does come with 1-car parking. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com for additional information and photos on this spectacular 2-bedroom condo. Thanks for watching.